Bugs are part of life. They're in our cities, they're in our suburbs, they're in our streets, they live in our gardens, they live in and around our homes as well. And we've started to understand where they live, what they need to live, what sort of a habitat do bugs want to call home, and what do they need around their home to be comfortable and to stay. Because bugs are doing lots of things all around us. And when we have our goggles on and start to see them, then we can appreciate them. And when we appreciate them, then we'll support them. And when we support them, they'll support us. And you know what we get out of that? Balance. What do you think attracts insects as a home? What do you think they like?
To see if it's like covered and protection. Sure, the food that they like is like near.
Exactly. So they need protection, but they need food, and the protection gives them their home, and the food gives them the energy to go out and make a family and keep going. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
So, you know, something like this, look how many flower heads are here. But then when you look inside here, you know that if you shake this, there's lots of insects in there because they feel safe. So there's flowers, there's flowering heads, there's shade and protection. And how do you think the insects move? Do they move out really exposed, or do you think they do sort of more?
I think they move through these type of
Yeah.
like stay intact and stuff. Yeah. To not be seen by prey.
Exactly, because if you're a little insect, what do you think's going to come after you?
Your predator.
Like who?
Like a snake, lizard.
Lizard.
Spiders.
Spiders, yeah. What else?
Frog?
Yeah, frogs. Frogs love insects. What else eats insects? If insects are flying around?
Birds.
Exactly. Insects are one of the main foods for birds. And that's why they come around. So the flowers bring the insects bring the birds get the insects and the nectar as well, because the birds pollinate and seek the nectar as well. It's quite a cycle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like everything is helping everything grow.